guys, how are you everyone? This is me Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create a Durga Puja Ashtami look, and this is what I'm using. It's the primer, and next I'm using a color corrector on the dark face of my face, dark areas of my face. Yeah. So yes, and I'm using my brush to just blend it out. After that, I'm using this Kryolan TV paint stick all over my face because I want my makeup to last a little longer. So this is why Kryolan TV paint stick. And I'm using this beauty blender and this mirror from Bonito, which they have sent me like few days back. The beauty blender is quite good and it blends really well. It doesn't soak up any sort of makeup product onto the sponge, but yeah, I feel a little hard to blend the makeup and everything with beauty blender. It's quite hard for me, but yeah, still at the same time it's really good. Next again I'm blending my this thing concealer with the beauty blender, and what I'm doing is I'm trying to do is I am trying to use all those drugstore brand products so that it doesn't become very costly makeup, and you can use a very limited sort of product and can get a very nice look. So the foundation, so the concealer I have used is from Maybelline. This is the Age Rewind concealer. Next I'm using this sugar foundation stick. This is in the shade Espresso, I guess. I'm using this for contouring. I don't have anything for contouring in the drugstore brand, so this is why I'm using this, and it's a pretty good product. I'm contouring my lips also. It's going to be quite heavy base, but the makeup is going to look very natural. I didn't really like the blender, like while it was blending the contouring, it was all over my face. Instead I would like some brush so I have more control over it. Yeah, this is my personal choice. I'm not really used to beauty blenders because I use brushes a lot more than beauty blenders. Yeah. I tried to blend it as much as I could, but it was not looking good. After that, I applied those concealer again just to make sure that the contouring looks proper. Then I'm using this matte powder to just set my under eye. After that, I'll be doing the highlighting with concealer again for the areas where I need to highlight. Yeah, so I have used this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer again just to make sure that the contour is proper. After that, I'll use my no, it's not my brush. It's from PAC. I was using a PAC brush, and this is again my brush to blend everything in. After that, I'll be taking the powder again to set all of the makeup I have used on my face, like all the cream product. After that, I'll jump into my eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm using this MAC Brow palette. It's a very good palette. I really love it, and I recommend it to all my students, my brides, whoever asks for a eyebrow palette. I'll always recommend this because this is really really good and I love it. So I'm filling it with my brush which is from Feel Pretty, named P brush. So these are my own set of brushes. I have my own makeup line and those brushes are from there. So now I'm using this pink color from Huda Beauty palette, as I didn't have any palette, like affordable palette. I just decided not to show the product to you guys, so you guys can use any eyeshadow, drugstore brand eyeshadow for yourself, and yeah, you can create the same look. It's a very easy breezy look. I have filmed the whole this thing look, but one clip is missing from the look. I don't know where did it go. I really don't know. Next I'm using this black eyeshadow to make it more smoky. and I'm just concentrating on the lid, that's all. So I'm doing the same thing for this eye as well. After that, I'll be putting some glitter glue and a black glitter on top. But that clip got missing. I don't know where. I have actually filmed it, but I really can't find it. Next, I'm taking that dark black color eyeshadow and just lining my lower lids. And yeah, here you can see the complete look, but yeah, I just messed up with the clip. Next, I'm using this Hoola bronzer. Again, I don't have any a drugstore bronzer with me, so I have used this, and this is a mini one. It's affordable, you guys can try. And the highlighter I have used is from Master Chrome. This is from Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. I love this highlighter, though it doesn't stay for very longer time, but I really love this highlighter, and I recommend you all to buy this if you are going for something during puja. This is a must have. So this eyeliner is from Nykaa, and I'm using the Bonito this thing mirror to line my eyeliner. And then I have applied Feel Pretty lashes, and I didn't show it because I have literally tons and tons of a tutorial on my Instagram, where you can see I have created tutorial on how to apply lashes. So that's why I skipped the step here, but it's very easy breezy step for me. I barely take just 1 minute to do both of my eyes, not also 1 minute 30 seconds for to do both for my eyes. And sorry, do both of my eyes. Okay, I don't know why I'm getting so slippery tongue today. Yeah. And then this mascara is from Kiko Milan, and this is my most favorite mascara. I have been using this from past 2 years now, and I'm obsessed with it. I was not able to find my lip liner. I was looking for it here and there. This lip liner is from Forever 52, and I don't like this lip liner at all. I have it, and that's why I use it. The pigmentation is very less, and it feels very dry on the lips. Next, I'm using this lipstick called More the Meheria. This is from MAC, and I love this lipstick. This is the final look. Ta-da! I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to put the thumbs up and share with all your friends. I hope you like this video. Bye bye. See you guys soon.